friends, today we are going to show how to take the permanent starter edge wheel by reception method. So we on this machine after set up the bubble. So bubble is almost okay. Then we need to set a drop. Let's say drop. Press new. Then today date is 000623. That's save. Job is set up. Then we need to go set up. Reception method. There are so many methods. Which one you need to use? Just select. Reception. Reception point ID, any one point ID we can put. Always remember this reception method. Initial height is 0, always 0. So we need to come here. This folder our control point. This folder we need to select. Select our point ID. Okay, point ID already select. Then target height. This target height we need to put. Our target height is 240. Then on the light. Then this point, that's what distance. After that, measure. Now automatically another point coming. So next point is select this point, then this point height also same, 0 point, then same, that's good distance. That's measure. Machine automatically done. We need to calculate. Let's calculate. Check the quality. Costing 2 mm, height is 2 mm, height quality 0, 0. Very important thing is orientation angle. Rotation quality is 0. So we can set this machine. The position, height and rotation to rotation has been set. Then same folder we need to that go measure. Then okay, set up. Then we need to name writing here point ID P1.1. Then if we use target, change target, then need to put height. If no use target, directly. This one is any surface. So directly shoot, we need to no need to put height. So this is the method. Now we are going to start. So you already aim this point, that measure. Automatically point number change, P1.2. So next point we need to change. Directly measure. No target, directly can measure. Automatically point number change. Can change. Measure. You can see here also showing how many points we can take, can showing the monitor. Okay. Now we are going to use target. So we need to change the target. Target height is 100. So we put 100. You can see here target height 100. We use 400. So, okay. Automatically change point. Target use, always put distance. After put measure. Okay, automatically change. So we have already one circle with 12-point degree. So this is the method. After you how many points you need to take, you take finish. You can go view and edit. can check how many point you can take. So we take 12 point. 12 point is already here. So we take 100 point, 1000 point also can see here. So this is the method, body section method we need to use for the head wheel. So subscribe our channel and share our videos and join with us for more videos. So you can go back, then can continue. So this is the method, you just follow, then continue that one. Thanks for watching video and thanks for joining with us. Thank you.